student, today we are going to see a practical of communication between the computer and the PIC kit. Okay. For this, what is the requirement for the practical is we need a computer, we need a PIC kit with a controller, PIC 18F4520. Then for the connections, for the since the practical is serial communication. For the serial communication, we are going to connect a USB to the USB of the CPU and we are going to connect the second USB to the kit which has a converter which converts an USB into an RS-232 connector. Okay. Then other than this, we have a 9-volt adapter. Then we have a downloader, that is PIC kit 2 downloader. Now we'll start with the practical. The first part, that for this practical we required a software, MPLab ID. Okay, so I'll just open the software. Now how we are going to start? We are just going to make a new file. Okay, and we are going to type a program here. So this is a program of. Now we are going to save it. Now in the saving option, purposely we have to write a name. So we will give a name. Serial communication. Okay, so we are given a name serial communication and purposely you have to give an extension. So you'll give an extension C and say where you're going to save in the where your PIC wherever you made a folder. For example, we made a folder in D drive, MC20 and in PIC. So we are going to save this file here. Okay. Now we are going to make a project for this file. So we'll create a project. So project wizard. Then we are going to say next, and we are going to select which controller. So the name of this controller, that is PIC kit 18F4520, and the controller which is on the kit should be of the same number. Next, we are going to select the compiler. So specifically for our practical, we need one compiler called MPLab C18 compiler version 3.45. Then we are going to say next. Then we are going to create a folder. So we'll make a folder of serial. Okay, so we'll give the name to our project serial and we'll say next. Browse. So we'll browse where we are going to have it. Okay, so we'll just give the name as serial and save. Okay, so we have kept in D drive, MC20, PIC serial 1. So this is the name of our project, and we'll say next, step next, and finish. Okay, so our project is created. So once we have created the project, we have to add a C file. So in the serial MC projector, we have different files. So which are the different files? We have source file, header file, object file, library, linker, and other files. So we are going to add the source file. So to add a source file, we just have to say right click, add file, and recently we made one file called serial communication. So we'll add this file. We'll say open. Okay, and we'll save this file. Okay, so once this file is saved, the next part is we are going to build a hex file. So to build an hex file, we'll just say build all. Okay, so we'll have this term, that is build successfully. If there is any error, if semicolon is missing, any type of syntax error is there, then you will be getting an error here. Okay. Then we'll stack the next part. The next part is we have to select the program. So now we are going to download the program. So to download a program, you need an USB connector. So you are going to connect an USB to the CPU, and second part you are going to connect to your PIC kit 2. So we'll connect to the PIC kit 2. Then after connecting to the PIC kit 2, okay, so we'll now this is when it is pressed, it is in the downloadable, that is you can download. So you just have to press connect and you just turn on the kit. Okay, so you have pressed this, turn on the kit, and you're going to download your program, and then back you're going to come to your software. So you're whenever we want to download, now you just first always select none. Okay, then just go to the programmer, select programmer. Which programmer? Now what is written here is Picket 2. So you have to select Picket 2. So you have selected Picket 2. So Picket 2 ready. So we found the Picket 2. So if it is not able to find, it will give a message not found. Now it is able to found the Picket. So it is given Picket is ready. The second is the reset. So we just have to say so setting the clear function. Then we are going to download. So we will start downloading. So the program is downloaded. So Picket is ready. Again, programming program memory, verifying the program memory, programming configuration memory, and verifying the configuration memory. So we are able to download the program. There is no error. If there is an error, a red color message will be here. Okay. So the work of the MP-Lab downloader is completed here. Now the next work is of Picket. So once it is downloaded, just turn off your kit. Remove this Picket. Okay, so totally remove this Picket even from this connection. So it is totally off. Then your USB, whichever you have connected now, just remove this USB because this USB was specifically for the Picket. Now we are using the basic function of a program is for the serial communication. So we are going to connect this serial communication again to the USB. Okay, so once it is connected, we can have this message. Then again you have to come to the terminal. On the terminal you have to download a Teraterm, that is for communication. So whatever data we are going to pass from here to there you will be visualized in the Teraterm. So you will open an Teraterm. Okay, in the Teraterm you can get this message. Okay, serial. Now where the COM port is connected. Now to find out where the COM port is connected, we have to go to the device manager. So we'll go to the device manager. So in the device manager, you know that port COM where it is connected. So from here we know that it is Silicon Lab CPL USB to UART bridge. So which COM port we have connected? We have connected to COM port 3. So we'll now in serial communication, so it is 1, so just change the COM port. Now it is going to be 3, so it is connected to 3 COM port. Then say OK. Once you said OK, just turn on your get, okay, and you'll get a message on that terminal. Okay, so we'll just reset it. Can you get this message? AIT welcome students. Have you got this message? Send a character. So I'll send a character Praveen. Okay. So Praveen will be displayed. So I'll send Praveen, Pravin. Okay. And say enter. Just hold on. Then again you can get this name on the. So can you see here the data? Just hold on. Again we'll send some data. Okay, we'll just turn it off and again we'll open, and the serial communication will select which COM port. We are again going to go on COM port 3. Okay, and we are going to say turn off and turn on your terminal, and you can get this message. Again we'll send some data. So we are sending some data and we'll say enter.
Tools मध्ये COM port check करा देते.
Where to check? In the setup, na?
Setup.
Okay, so we'll just go in the setup and serial port, na? In the serial port, yes, it is COM port 3 only. Its baud rate is 9600, 8-bit, NAND 1. Okay, so we just got 8K. Now we'll just send the data and we'll just wait for the data. Then we'll reset. So we can get send it data is okay. So this way, whatever we first will get a welcome message, which we have whatever message we are getting here, that is the message which we have given in the program itself. Then whatever data you want to type from here, there you will be displayed on the Teraterm, and this way we will see that there is a communication between the PC and your Picket. Okay. Thank you for listening the video.